Hello guys! Welcome to this course. In this course, you will learn about mouse motion by creating a game where you will guide the bat to eat oranges using your mouse. Start a new project by clicking Create in the top navigation, or you can click Start Creating from the banner just below the navigation. Next, add two new backdrops by clicking the backdrop icon. I selected Woods and Arctic. Create a new variable called oranges using the Make a Variable button from the Dark Orange Variables tab. Delete the default cat sprite. Next, create a new sprite by clicking the sprite icon located next to the backdrop icon. This will open a Choose a Sprite window. Look for the bat. Next, click the Code tab and add these blocks to the code area. Now let me explain what we did here. We made sure that three things happen when I click the green flag. Here, we set the backdrop to Arctic and set the rotation style to left, right. Then, we have a forever loop that tells the computer to point the bat towards the mouse pointer and move 4 steps. At the same time, change the costume. Changing the costume makes it look like the bat is flying. On this one, we set the count of our oranges variable to 5. Remember the variables we created before? And here, we have another forever loop which checks if the count of oranges is 0. Then, change the backdrop to woods. We could put all the code together like this under one when green flag clicked. And you're allowed to. The difference is that separating the code into smaller sections makes it easier to understand, but you do end up writing more code. Now, it's time to work on the orange sprites. Create a new sprite by clicking the sprite icon located next to the backdrop icon. This will open a Choose a Sprite window. Click on the orange. Next, click the Code tab and add these blocks to the code area. Let me explain the code. When the green flag is pressed, it will show the orange using the show block. Then, we have the wait until block, which prevents the next code blocks from running until the condition is met. The condition is wait until the bat is touching the orange. If the bat touches the orange, then hide the orange and decrease the count of oranges by 1. Now, we need to create 4 more orange sprites. Instead of creating a new sprite and writing code for each sprite one by one, there is a faster way. Anytime you want to make multiple sprites that are similar, you can just duplicate the sprite. Let's do that for the orange sprite. Right-click on the orange sprite and select Duplicate. Repeat this 3 more times. In total, you should have 5 orange sprites. You will notice that the code for each sprite was also duplicated. Here's the finished game, guys. Awesome! Try making changes to the code. For example, change the rotation style to all around and see what happens. That's how you learn, by making changes and experimenting.